What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video here today on the channel. In this one, guys, we're going to be fishing this body of water that's got a creek and a lake attached to it. So we're going to be fishing for carp today. So we're going to be using some floating bread on top water, and yeah, we're just going to try and catch some fish. This is the creek that we're going to be fishing right here. That's the creek that we're going to be fishing. This is the lake that we could fish. I'm not going to fish this part of the lake just because it's super muddy, but the creek, there's a lot of fish in it and it's a lot clearer because it's moving water. So it makes it easier to surface fish, and it's more, I like fishing off the surface. It's more interactive, I think. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Hopefully we catch some fish. I'll see you guys later. Got one. I don't know how big he is. Carp in a creek though, it's cool. I don't know how far out the stick goes. He seems decent. Oh yeah, that's a nicer one. I'll take it. Get my net ready. I don't think he's ready to get in the net though. Even though he's right here, I don't think he knows I am. Because on floating pieces of bread, there's so many of them out there. I'm glad he's not going out and scaring those ones though, because that'd be bad. I don't know if I'd get any more then. All right, let's try and grab him, or net him. Oh, he was over it. He didn't go in it. Get in the net. Oh, he got out again. It's so hard from up here. It's like a 3.5 foot wall that you can't get down. He's still fighting. Now he knows I'm over here trying to net him. Alright, I'm gonna hit the GoPro. Still running. He's tangled in the line now. There he goes. Come on. I can't, he's still fighting. Or maybe now he's done. Let's try now. Come on. Got him. Gosh, he's a little bowling ball. It's a big one. Alright guys, I'm gonna get the hook out of him and we'll hold him up for a picture and we can let him go. Alright, I'm gonna have to use my pliers on this guy. Alright, there's our reward for that. Beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. Here's how big he is. This is a big carp. Alright, we're just gonna drop him back in nice and gentle. It's nice and deep right here for him. So I'll swim off all right, and he wasn't out for long. All right, there he goes. This creek is super deep. All right, cool. Let's try and get another one, I guess. I still see a couple up there. There's one. Got him. I don't know, I think this is the smaller one of the two I was seeing. But it's alright, I don't really care that much. Still seems like a nice fish. I saw one mirror carp earlier in here too. So this one's common, but I will definitely still take it. I gotta get my net back. Okay. Oh, he's right here. Maybe this one will be a little easier to net. They seem to run right here. I gotta keep him out of that tree. You've gotten me tangled in that one before. Whoa. Alright, he's gonna go in the current now. We gotta get him back out into the calmer water, and then we'll, oh, I see another one. There's a couple out here right now. Sometimes they chase them. I've had that where when I have one hooked, another one will chase it when he comes in to me when I try to net him. Splashing a little bit. He's right here. I don't know if he's gonna come up high enough for the net though, or if he's not ready. This is cool though. It's a bigger fish than normal out of a creek. At least where I live, I'm not catching big fish out of creeks. But carp, they'll do. Alright, he's still diving down deep. I haven't had him close enough really, staying up high to where I can net him. He's still kicking a little bit. I'm gonna throw my phone this time because it almost fell in last time I was trying to net one in this spot. Okay, let's get him. Oh, he dodged it. Come on. God, it's so hard to get under them when you're this high up. That's what I was trying to do. Alright, let's try. Got him. Alright, he's in the net. I don't know why I did that like that. Wasn't very smart, but let's try and get another nice shot of this fish for you guys once I get the hook out. Alright guys, here we go. Let's get him out of the net. Let's turn him like this. Okay, there's our fish. Let's hold him up. Show you guys. That's what we caught on the bread on the surface. It's another nice common carp. This one's got a really weird and messed up mouth. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's kind of bent in a little bit. Maybe he got hooked bad there, or hit or something there. But yeah, all right, I'm gonna let him back now. I didn't get this hook set on camera, but this is, I think this is a little guy. I watched him grab it in, it seemed big. It might be, oh yeah, he's still not bad. Ooh, he's moving fast though. Not a bad one. Trying to keep him out of these trees here. Just trying to keep him. Oh yeah, that's not a bad one. I thought he was way smaller. But they underestimated him. Has potential to be the biggest of the day. They've all been about the same size. We're gonna get my net ready to land a fish. He's using that current to his advantage. He's sitting in it and just letting it pull him out onto the other side, and so he gets farther away from me. Smart fish. Oh, I gotta keep him from going down it though. I don't think he wants to go down it either. And he can just sit in here and get food all day. Okay, let's try. Alright, he's right here. I don't know how I'm gonna try and net this guy. He's not coming up. He's fighting harder. He doesn't seem bad. I haven't seen much of him, but he's fighting harder than the rest. For sure. Come on. Yeah, it's not a bad one. Alright, he's up here now. On this side. Oh, there he goes. Come on. It's fun fighting him in this creek, I'll give him that. Sorry if I'm not talking much, I'm just trying to... Look at, he's diving for those trees. You have to keep him out of those. Break me off. Or hurt himself in those trees. Alright, I'm gonna get the net ready. Set my phone down. Let's do this. Down here now. Okay, come on. Got him. Yeah, I think that's the biggest one of the day, actually. Still see some of his bread, too, in his mouth. Which is weird, he didn't swallow it. But it's probably just stuck on the hook. Alright, I'm gonna unhook him and then I'll hold him up. Alright, guys. Here is our reward for that. Probably the biggest carp of the day. But a really nice one. Really beautiful fish. Really underrated. Not a lot of people fish for them. I wish they did. Really, really powerful fish, but they're really cool. Oh man, it's a cool fish. All right, I'm gonna get him back. That's gonna wrap up our fishing here today, guys. We caught 3 fish. We did really well. I'm super happy about that. All on top water. Hopefully you guys could see some of the fish biting the bait. But yeah, other than that, I'm gonna wrap it up, head home here, have some dinner. Hopefully you guys did enjoy the video. If you did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys all later. Peace out.